Hey guys, Joe here. Quick reminder, right now at Eastwood.com, our holiday gift guide is in full effect. We've got great deals across the gamut, everything from metal fab tools, paint supplies, powder coating, hand tools, and more. I'm here today to offer 3 gift ideas at 3 different price points. At the very top, we have our Elite MP 200i multi-process welder. We're talking Mig, TIG, and stick functionality. It's dual voltage, which means it can run off 120 or 240 volt outlets and can weld up to 3/8 of an inch thick. Next down on our list is our Contour SCT surface conditioning tool. This is a workhorse around the shop and can tackle everything from stripping paint, rust, various coatings, and can even polish metal. There's truly a drum for every job. And last but not least, at the bottom price point, we have our LED Modular Light setup with underhood bar that's perfect for around the shop. No more fumbling around with lights underneath the hood. We're talking hands-free operation, and you can shine the light exactly where you want it. So whether you're looking to treat yourself or a loved one in your life, check out our holiday gift guide and take advantage of some savings while you can.